Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
While you can view vendor and customer lists in QuickBooks Online in their respective list pages, you can also create a quick report for a vendor or customer to show detailed transaction data for a selected customer or vendor. To create a customer or vendor quick report in QuickBooks Online, click the Reports link in the navigation bar. Then click the Standard tab in the page to the right if needed. Then type either Transaction List by Customer or Transaction List by Vendor into the Find Report by Name bar, depending on whether you want to run a customer or vendor quick report. Then click the report name in the result list that appears below the search bar to open it with its default settings. To customize the selected report, click the Customize button in the upper right corner of the report to open a customized report pane at the right side of the window. To set the date range for the report, use the Report Period drop-down in the General section. To filter the report to only show transactions for a selected vendor or customer as needed within their respective report, click to expand the Filter section if needed. Then check the Customer or Vendor checkbox as needed, and select the name of the specific vendor or customer from the adjacent drop-down. Then click the Run Report button in the lower right corner of this pane to show the report for the date range and selected vendor or customer. To email, print, or export the report to Excel or as a PDF after running it, click the Email, Print, or Export button in the upper right corner of the report.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.